Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have admin rights and a recent backup. Start now. Install and activate a lightweight maintenance plugin. This avoids editing core files. Once active, open plugin settings and choose a temporary landing page, set status to enabled, and add a short message. Explain why and approx. Duration. Make sure caching plugins are paused so you see changes immediately. These steps protect visitors and preserve SEO while you work on the site. Now configure the plugin options to control visibility and HTTP status. Choose 503 service unavailable to signal maintenance to search engines. Once done, whitelist your IP or allow logged-in administrators so you can view the live site while others see the maintenance page. Customize visual and timing settings, then save. Next, clear server and browser caches, and test in an incognito window. And on a mobile device to confirm access rules, work exactly as intended. When your updates are complete, turn off maintenance mode and refresh the site to verify pages, forms, and e-commerce flows are functioning. If visitors still see the page, clear CDN and server caches, then clear browser caches. If problems continue, temporarily deactivate the maintenance plugin and inspect error logs, conflicts with other plugins, or htaccess rules are common culprits. Re-enable one change at a time to isolate. If necessary, restore the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.